Hey there, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over at the FXAce.com. First, a big welcome to the video. So, this video is a follow up to the video I made yesterday regarding the SR Pro dashboard. Okay, it's a support and resistance dashboard, and in this video, I'm going to show you how it works and how you can best benefit from it and just explain the concepts of it. And I'll try and speak as slowly as possible. And I am gathering that you have been trading Forex for a while and you understand what support and resistance is. It's key levels on the charts where there likely be turning points. Okay, the SR Pro dashboard uses mathematical formulas to calculate these levels uh, via interbank order flow. Okay, that's the main method of these levels. The R key levels, they're levels that the banks and institutions will be looking at and likely to have their orders at and buying and selling at. Okay, so that's why I've programmed it, and it gives me an overall view of the market to where I am, reference support and resistance. Now, just to get a few things clarified, this is not a signal dashboard. The numbers you see in front of you don't necessarily say buy and sell at those levels. It's just telling you that there may be buying and selling interest at the support and resistance levels. Okay, of course, the further out the levels go, the higher the volatility is in the market. So what you can see in front of you now is the daily dashboard. This is the current daily levels across all assets in the FX markets. Okay, the markets have been very slow at the minute, the past couple of weeks. So low volatility means you want to be trading at the S1 and R1 levels. Okay, today we just placed a trade on the British pound USD. It had popped down towards the S1 level. And if we open the chart up here, you can see right around this level at the the 28,800 area here, we got a MACD divergence. Okay, this actually appeared on the MACD dashboard. Okay, so this was a signal that appeared on the MACD dashboard at that level on the British pound USD. Now, when you access the SR Pro dashboard, you actually get the MACD dashboard free. Okay, so the way I trade this, the way I use the dashboard is pretty simple. Okay, I'm looking for, say I'm day trading. Okay, so I'm day trading the daily levels. So what I want to see is price coming out to these levels and the dashboard indicating to me via the flashing feature on the chart, indicating to me the price has reached that area. Next, what I want to do before I actually go over and start looking, thinking about a trade, I want to head over to the dashboard. Okay, just simply go to the Frank. We're getting a 30-minute buy. Okay, on the daily dashboard here. Okay, where is the Euro Swiss franc? The Euro Swiss franc is at the S1 level, and we're getting a bullish divergence. There's two confluences. We're at a key level, and we have a bullish divergence signal happening on the Euro Swiss franc. So you just click here on that level and it would automatically open the chart for you, and you can see that this is the trade here, and it is very much so still active, and it'd be a good trading opportunity for the Euro Swiss franc. Okay, next we go back to the dashboard and have a look. Is there anything? So we have the Euro CAD here also flashing at the S1 level. We go back over to the dashboard. Okay, nothing appearing on the dashboard. Okay, there's only three signals happening in a minute. AUD Kiwi sell, and a buy on the USD Swiss franc. We'll head over to the dashboard on the daily time frame. USD Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc is up here, and you can see we're not at either support or we're not at resistance, so there's no need to be trading there. The other signal was the Aussie Kiwi. Okay, the Australian dollar against the Kiwi. Okay, Australian dollar against the Kiwi. There we go there. And you can see it's not at support and it's not at resistance. Okay, that's how you use this for day trading. Very, very straightforward. You wait the price comes out to these levels. Okay, out to the support and resistance. Like I said, you need to kind of judge the markets, how they've been going the past week or so. Low volatility. That means the lower levels, S1 and R1s, will get hit a lot quicker, and there'll be a lot of turning points at those levels. The more volatility in the markets, the further out you'll see the levels go. Price will go out further out towards the R3 and R4 levels. Okay, very rarely it'll go out to the R4, and when it goes out to around the R3, they are great selling and buying opportunities when it's out at these extremes here. Don't think I've only ever seen a few times go out past the R4. Okay, that's how you use it for day trading. Very, very straightforward. You've got the dashboard giving you key institutional support and resistance levels where institutions will likely be trading that. And all you need to do is use the free Mac, the dashboard to get with the SR Pro dashboard for a signal entry. Very straightforward. Wait for a level to appear. There's the Euro USD. It's at a level now. We go over the dashboard. Simply wait for a signal on the 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute for day trading. Wait for a signal on those 3 time frames on the dashboard. If one happens, it's good to enter the trade. Okay, very, very straightforward. Now the features in the dashboard. So say you don't like day trading, you like weekly swing trading. You go to the indicator list, you go to the dashboard, and you go to edit. Okay, and you'll select daily. You'll select the weekly levels here, and it will actually give you weekly levels on your chart. Okay, and if you want to insert all the symbols, make sure you double click here and add all the symbols that you want to be trading in that symbols section there. You can add indices. It calculates across everything: indices, commodities, key levels across everything. Okay, the distance, this here level here, distance to when it flashes, simply means as it's approaching the level, the S1, the S2, or the R1 or R2 level, 10 pips from that level, it will start flashing, alerting you that there is a possible trading opportunity and prices are approaching that level. Okay, distance to alert is simply if you want to get pop-up alerts or alerts sent to your mobile phone or your email address. Pretty simple. Okay, template feature means if you have your own trading template that you like to use, your charting profile, you simply enter the name of the template in there, and when you click on the asset on the chart, it will open up your template on that currency pair or commodity or indice that you're trading. Okay, like I said, weekly swings, it's opened up the weekly dashboard here. Okay, when you're trading the weekly dashboard, okay, the weekly levels, you want to be looking for signals on the 4-hour and daily 4-hour and daily time frames on the MACD divergence dashboard. Okay, when that happens, you want to be taking signals at these key weekly levels here. Okay, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And if you are a longer term investor and you only want to trade the monthly charts, okay, key levels of the monthly, you just select monthly. Okay, obviously you want to change the distance to its approaching those, because monthly there'll be bigger ranges, maybe within 50 pips or so of it, and hit OK. Okay, and you can see we're at no monthly levels at the minute. Okay, on none of these currency pairs. Okay, basically the reason is there hasn't been much volatility about. So the more volatility there is, the more likelihood there is of these levels, price coming out to these kind of levels here. If you're a breakout trader, you'd be looking, if you can trade the middle levels for possible breakouts. You can create strategies all around that if you're trading the longer term time frames. Okay, now daily and weekly divergence signals off monthly time frames would be ideal. So you just want to tick the monthly in here, sorry, the weekly in here. And it will add the weekly onto it there. Okay, just give it a second here. Okay, so you can see there is some divergence signals happening on the weekly charts here, but we're not at any key levels. Let's have a look at the dashboard here. Okay, we're not at key levels, we're not even in the middle and any of them pairs there. Okay, so brief chat about the divergence dashboard. Simply H means hidden divergence. Okay, hidden divergence is a continuation divergence. So basically, if you're a trend follower, a trend trader, after you get a leg up and the price retraces a little bit, if you get a hidden divergence after that retracement, it's a very good trade for a continuation of the move up, especially if it's in line with those levels on the SR Pro dashboard. Okay, the next divergence type is classic. Okay, you'll see sell or buy on the dashboard when one of them happens. Classic divergence is a trend reversal signal. Okay, it's a signal that happens at the end of a trend or at key levels on these on the SR Pro dashboard. Hence the trade that would happen today on the British pound USD. Okay, it was a trade I posted in the Signal group. It was a trade we took with our Signal service, and you open it up, price was at that level, and see as soon as it went around that level there on the 15-minute chart was the first divergence signal, and it happened more or less at the level, and price popped up very nicely there. Okay, getting us around 50 pips on that trade for a beautiful day trade. Okay, so it's very straightforward how to use it. I'm guessing you've been trading for a while, you understand support and resistance, understand that this dashboard is not an entry signal dashboard. It's simply showing you the key levels on the chart, saving you the time. So most people would simply have to flick through every single chart on their MT4 platform, insert their support and resistance levels, and then keep flicking through them like this, keep flicking through, hoping the price is at or approaching the level they want to be trading at. With this indicator, the dashboard, you don't need to do that. It's simply one chart open, and it simply tells you in an instance where the market is, where prices are. Next, once you're at certain levels, you go over to the MACD divergence dashboard if you choose to use it, and simply look for signals, divergence signals happening, hidden or classic, at these levels. Very straightforward. Okay, again, it's not a signal dashboard. It's giving you key levels on the chart, key trading areas on your chart, so you can get great trading opportunities. Okay, so hope this video tried to speak as slowly as possible, tried to explain it as simply as possible. Like I said, it is very straightforward. I do hope you understand support. You've got a good understanding of support and resistance. If you do, you'll understand how this can benefit you and produce great results and produce great trades for you. Okay, so if you're interested in accessing the SR Pro dashboard, just simply click the link below. If any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com, and I shall see you on the next video. Happy trading. Thanks a lot. Will over to fxace.com.